In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll and unenroll contacts in sequences using workflows in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to log into your HubSpot, and once you're in there, just open your automation and go to your workflow and open the workflow that you want to edit. I already have right here my workflow, and to enroll contacts to this particular option, what we can do is we just need to proceed to add action. So you can do so by clicking onto this plus icon. Now from in there, you can browse actions that you want. Onto this case, let's choose in here the option for enrollment. You can search for action in here as well. So scroll down and you can see right here the communications. We have in here this enroll and unenroll option. So just head over and choose to add this or the unenroll one if you want to do or use that one as well. Continue to configure it, and once you're done, you should be able to save your workflow. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.